Hey, this is MT from Vintage Speed, and in this video I will show you the noisy level of our special quiet exhaust system, and my engineer Sean, say hello.
Hello.
And he will help us show you the dB readers. So let me start the engine, and by the time video will shoot this recorder and take a video of surrounding here. Can you show everyone? So this is not an open space. We got a mini wall here. That's tell you the noisy level here could be a little bit noisy, but still quiet. Okay, I show you. So this is idle. We have like 74 dB, and then I will rev up 3 to 4,000 RPM right now. Okay, so thank you for watching this cool video with our quiet Sebring. And if you want more noisy or more quiet, we can do that for you, no problem. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Thank you, bye bye.